tanong lang kanina ni Ma'am Nipa. Tingin nyo ba, sir, directly nakinabang si General Albayalde, did he directly financially benefit from this drug sting?
I have no evidence to that effect right now.
But should the DOJ, the state prosecutors, whoever...
That's why we have the lifestyle check. That's why we have the lifestyle check.
You think
The
this should be
NBI is
pursued?
doing that, and the NBI is under the Secretary of Justice.
And this should be pursued?
Yes, you have to. In cases like this that involves graft and corruption, you have to do a lifestyle check.
So what will happen to Major Baloyo now after you have concluded your investigation?
No, we have not concluded. This is a suspension, like I said. Like I said, meron pa kaming hinihintay na baka may bumukas pang iba. We're trying to get all the evidence that we can possibly attain.
What will happen to him? He stays in Bilibid.
The crime of Baloyo is that he was evasive, didn't want to answer questions. That is a crime against the Senate. That is not a crime, but that is, yeah, you can call it a crime. That is an offense that contemptuous. And that is inherent in the power of any legislative body in the whole world.